Hello friends, in this video, we intend to review various bonuses in the Quotex broker. To receive a bonus, you click on Deposit. In this section, it is explained to us that if we wish to receive a 30% deposit bonus, we must have a minimum of $100 deposited into the live account to receive this 30% bonus. And to view other bonuses, you can select the desired currency. For example, we choose TRC20. At this point, when it says choose your bonus, you can select different bonuses. For the deposit, it is divided into 4 categories: 20%, 25%, 30%, and 35%. With the 20% bonus after depositing a minimum of $60, you receive a bonus of 12. And in the shock 25% bonus section, by depositing a minimum of $100, you receive $25. And with the 30% bonus after depositing $150, you receive a $45 bonus. And also in the section of the 35% bonus, by depositing a minimum of $300, you receive $105. And friends, if you would like to see a tutorial on how to deposit, you can watch our instructional videos on YouTube. Good luck.